So yeah, Ishan, what have you made? What is your project?
It's a business website like Amazon and Flipkart where you can do online shopping.
Okay, you made a website, Amazon.
It's in progress. I have not added much details, but I will add further.
Okay, that's great. So Ishan, let's start with your project. Please do share your screen and explain your project. Okay, the editor you are using, what is the name of the editor?
VS Code.
Okay.
Ma'am, I should explain the code or should you
Explain me the basic things of the code, like what
मैम
kind.
पहले मैं आपको वेबसाइट दिखा देता हूँ फिर मैम एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ.
Okay, you can show me the website, then you can explain the code. This is the website. Okay, great.
iShop and ma'am, it is like
you're adding the images. Okay, good.
some information, and you can subscribe to my website, and ma'am, this is information I will add on, and this is some protocols COVID-19 information.
Okay, that's great. So Ishan, I just want to ask how many types of file you have used for making this website?
How many types of
files?
Ma'am, one only. I have like you are asking CSS and JavaScript.
Yeah.
In one only, ma'am, I have added like style. See,
so style is a part of JavaScript, right?
No, ma'am. It is part of CSS.
Okay. And style we put inside the body or inside the head?
Head.
Okay. And CSS, what is CSS?
This is for designing our basic HTML code.
So we cannot design things in HTML?
No, ma'am. We add the basic components and later we do it in CSS.
And what is the role of JavaScript here?
JavaScript, like it is for the functioning. Like if we like put some HTML code and we have to run it like how can I explain it?
You can explain me in Hindi also, it's fine.
No, ma'am, I'm thinking of an example. How
I will give you one example and you will let me know this is a part of JavaScript, HTML or CSS. Suppose I have a list of components and I have to select any one out of them. So suppose I will select, I want to buy clothes and I want t-shirts to buy. When I click on t-shirt picture, I got the pictures of t-shirts. So what is it? Like when I click on t-shirt picture,
JavaScript part.
This is a part of JavaScript. Means
yes,
how the program
it takes ये हमें ये अंदर की फंक्शनिंग करता है. जैसे हम कोई बटन दबाते हैं तो फिर उसे कैसे हमें उसे फंक्शन करवाना है हम जावास्क्रिप्ट से करते हैं.
Acha, I can see some tags over here. I will ask you the question later. First, I also want to see Arav's project. Then I will ask both of you some questions. Okay. Arav, can you display your project?
Yes.
Yeah. First, show me the website. What have you made?
Ma'am, so this is a gift card generator website.
How to generate a gift card with this website?
Ma'am, I haven't really added the code to generate a gift card. It's like it for show.
So have you made any code for JavaScript?
Yes.
To do which one?
Like this. If we click on this button, book an appointment, it redirects to you to another page.
Okay. Can you fill this form? This is a part of form, right?
Yes.
And here I can see register one. So the color of register is a part of HTML only?
No, it's a part of CSS.
Okay, and can you press the email address, like can you enter email address there?
Yes, we can enter the
So
email address.
you have options for email address, or what is this?
No, that's just my recent email
Okay,
address.
the
that I
recent one
used.
you have added. Okay, and the password, can you enter the password?
Yes.
Okay, and repeat password. Okay, that's fine. And sign in, what happened when you click on sign in? So this is just a design, basic design part, right?
Yes. You can't really register in it.
Okay,
It's
very
just
nice. Great. You can go back. And yeah, the pictures are getting changed. And what happened when I click me button?
it redirects with info like home, about work, and just the description.
Okay, great. Very nice work. Very good. Okay, let me show the code part, Arav. Arav, I will ask about some tags. Okay. First thing, when we start writing HTML, what is the basic criteria for writing HTML file?
Can I tell?
Yeah, Ishan, your turn will also come.
Ma'am, do you mean like this HTML?
Yeah, HTML. What is HTML for? Like, why we take HTML, Arav?
It's for creating a basic.
Creating a basic design means a template kind of thing we can
Yes.
make without
Yes.
any color and everything. Okay.
Yes.
Now, when we write HTML, there is two things: head, body, like more things: title, head, body. What
Yes.
are they? So title will come after body, and head will come after body. Like, what is it? What is the sequence?
The first title will come and head will come after the title.
Very good. And body?
Ma'am, the body will come at the end after the
If
head.
suppose I want to write, Ishan, my question is for you. If suppose I want to write a paragraph, it will come inside the body or it will come inside the head?
Body.
Okay. What are div files, Ishan?
What, ma'am?
Div, D-I-V. I thought div.
Divisions.
What does it mean?
Ma'am, like we have to create a box or a division, like we are making a card. So ma'am, वो मैम जो भी हम डिफ के अंदर ऐड करेंगे वो और जो एंड तक होगा वो सब एक उसी बॉक्स में रहेगा, मतलब पूरा पेज कवर नहीं करेगा, वो एक अलग से डिवीजन बना देगा। उसके अंदर हम
like div part we will make in the HTML and then we use that divisions to the CSS for designing the things, right?
Yes, ma'am, और वो एक पार्ट को लेता है, मतलब अगर हमने इधर से लिया और इधर तक है तो इधर तक ही होगा, वो पूरा कवर नहीं होगा।
हाँ, तो वो पूरा कवर नहीं होगा, like जैसे हम कोड करते हैं CSS,
तो बॉक्स बना देगा बॉक्स।
हाँ, it will make a box. Okay, very good. And I also want to ask some questions too. What is this dot container?
And dot is for we have created classes, and dot refers to class.
And hash, Arab, why we take hash?
Ma'am, what?
Hashtag.
Hashtag. Ma'am, where?
No, usually we take hashtag and dots. So dot, acha, why we take this asterisk sign? I have this asterisk sign over here.
Ma'am, this sign?
This one. This asterisk selection. What is it like? What is this for?
The
multiplication sign.
So, Ishan, what is this for? This asterisk one?
Ma'am, this is for selecting the whole content.
Yeah, if we want to select, like if we want to make changes throughout the whole content, now we will use this sign. Okay. Okay. What does footer means?
It is like basically this part.
Yeah, the down part basically. Header.
Header is the top part.
Okay, very good. So great work done by both of you, and I am really impressed. Very good. Claps for you. boys. And Ishan and Arav, your knowledge is also commendable, and your websites are also, you know, when you'll be making, like, working more on the particular things, you will learn a lot. Okay. One more question I just want to ask. Suppose I want to, like, make a JavaScript file. Okay, I made a JavaScript file and I want to link that file with my HTML folder, like you did. You both did. Like you made one file only for JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, right? So what you did for that?
I'm connected.
Yeah, Ishan.
Use script.
Oh, sorry.
Script
tag.
Okay, okay. And yeah, I have no more questions, and I'm very much impressed. You know everything about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yeah, that's fine. And my reviews are like, is you both work really hard, and I can see something like, you know, a very interesting website over there. So okay, I'll give you full out of full marks. So congratulations, both of you. And
thank you, ma'am.
That's fine. Do you also want to say something about the classes you have done, and who
And they are just
your
great.
classes? Who took your classes?
Ma'am, Mehek, ma'am.
Mehpreet.
Okay, so yeah, like she worked really hard with you, both of you,
Yes,
and yeah, I can see your work there. Great work then. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.